Adding comments to thoughts is a great way to communicate additional information back to your participants, but it's also a useful place to jot down any insights, notes, ideas, reminders, potential follow-ups, or anything else that you might want to add as an annotation on a particular thought in your exchange. You can add comments to thoughts just by clicking the comment button anywhere that thoughts appear, or you can review all of the thoughts in your exchange that have comments on them already by clicking the comment icon at the top of the Discover dashboard. If I click on any of these thoughts here, I can hop into the thread where I can see all of the comments added by different leaders to this particular idea. This is a great place to communicate with other leaders who are working in the Discover dashboard for your exchange, but it's also a really good opportunity to share additional information back with the participants in your exchange through a public published comment. Each thought can have one public comment published on it and an unlimited number of other comments shared by leaders working in the dashboard. A good thing to note is that a leader needs to have manage access to the Discover dashboard for your exchange to choose which comment is published for participants, but they only need to have view access to add a private comment. I can choose to sort the comments by newest first or oldest first. I can publish a new thought to participants, again if I have that manage access to the dashboard, and I can unpublish existing published comments and delete comments that I myself have added to the thought. If you'd like to learn more about best practices around sharing comments back with your participants, check out the article on our help site at get.thoughtexchange.help. And that's all there is to commenting on thoughts in the Discover dashboard. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.